Today I'm going to show you a really cool right hand fingerstyle pattern. This is taken from my piece Meditatio 12, and this is just an intro. It also has 4 really cool chords in it that maybe you've never played before. So it's going to sound like this. So this is in 4/4, and it's just all 8th note arpeggios. So the first chord here, this is an A minor 9. And what I'm doing for this one is just open 5th string. Then my 3rd finger is going to be on the 4th string, 5th fret. My pinky is going to be on the 3rd string, 5th fret. Open 2nd string, and open 1st string. A really cool A minor 9 chord. Now the right hand pattern, which is going to stay the same for the whole piece, is going to go thumb on the 5th string. Thumb is also going to be on the 4th string. My index finger is going to be on the 3rd string. My middle finger is going to be on the 2nd string. Ring finger on the 1st string. Back to the 2nd string with my middle finger. Back to the 3rd string with my index. And back to the 4th string with my thumb. So if I play, it's going to sound like this. And as mentioned, these are 8th notes, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now the next chord is going to sound like this. This is an A minor 6 add 9. And all we have to do is remove my 3rd finger on the 4th string, 5th fret, and I'm going to add instead my middle finger on the 4th string, 4th fret. And that's it, and everything else stays the same. And I'm going to do the same right hand pattern for one measure. So it's 1. Then I'm going to go to the next chord. It's going to sound like this. All I have to do for this chord is my middle finger now on the 4th string, 4th fret is going to come off, and I'm going to add my 1st finger to the 4th string, 3rd fret. Now this chord has a weird name. It's going to be called A minor add 9 with a sharp 5 and a natural 5. So you probably don't see that chord a lot, but that's what it is. Don't worry about the theory too much. And it also could be named a bunch of different things, but that's what I'm going to name it. A minor, add 9 with a sharp 5 and a natural 5. The right hand is going to do the same pattern, so. And now we got the last chord. And this is just an A minor add 9. And all I'm doing here is I'm taking my 1st finger from the 4th string, 3rd fret, and I'm just sliding it down to the 4th string, 2nd fret. So notice there's a pretty big gap between your index finger and your pinky. So A minor add 9, and we're going to do the same right hand pattern. And that's the last chord, and then you'll just repeat it and do it again. So let's do all 4 chords 2 times with the right hand pattern. Here we go. Ready, and. Repeat. Now, as I mentioned, that's just the intro. There's a whole piece that goes along with it, so it goes to some other parts, but all I want to do is focus in on just that intro today. All right, so let's do it now one more time, just a little faster. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. I just gave you a really cool right hand pattern that you can apply to any chords. And it just showed you 4 cool chords, maybe you knew them or not, but also 4 new chords that you can also apply, especially if you have anything that's in the key of A minor. These chords will work great. All right, that's going to do it for this lesson, and we'll see you next time.